Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Coding Hives. This is Rasina with you. So from today onwards, we are going to start a coding challenge. Okay. So as the first day of coding challenge, I am going to start with a simple question, and we will do this question in different ways. So the question is find largest number in a list. Okay. So how we can find largest number in the list? So I will first explain how we can approach this question. Like we will start by initializing largest a variable with a float minus infinity, which represents negative infinity. So but when we are doing something like this, for example, here I am going to do largest is equal to the way is something like this, a float of minus infinity. Okay, it need to be inside quotes. So I gave something like this. Now I need to check this infinity, I mean the current initial value with each element in the list, and like this for iterating, like we have a loop, right, for num in numbers. Okay, then I need to check if the num in our list is greater than the initial value. So if it is like that, we need to store the largest as num. Clear? So in this case, first it will take the first element, right, 3. It will check with the largest. I told this means the smallest value. So this 3 will be greater, right? So in this case, largest will be 3. Next it will go for the next element 1. So in that case, 1 greater than largest, I mean 3 is false. So it will not execute this line. Again for 4. Again checking 3, 4 greater than 3. So here it is true. So now our current largest will be 4, right? Like that it will execute, and the final output we will get as 9. Clear? So I can print this thing, print largest, largest, then I can give the value largest. Here you can run the code, so you will get 9, right? Clear? So for example, I am giving, instead of maybe some of you have some doubt like why I am giving this float infinity rather than I can give something else, like for example, if I am giving, for example, I will make this comment and I can give it a 0, right? If I am giving something like this, for the actual case, for example, if I am giving positive numbers, it will work. For example, if our output will 0, I mean I output is negative numbers, I will make everything as negative. Okay. If I am applying every number as negative, then you can see the difference. You can see, right? Because here 0 is greater than these all negative numbers, right? That is why when we are giving 0, if we are dealing with negative numbers, it will not work. Okay, clear? That is why I gave it here as this thing, float minus infinity. Okay, so this is one way of solving this problem, and now we will go for the second solution. Okay, second way. So that is also very easier way, as we have a built-in function. Can you say which is the built-in function we have to find the max of a number? Yes, that is max function, right? So here we can give something like that, largest is equal to, simply we can give max of numbers. Clear? I will make this comment, otherwise. So here we can print something like print largest. So in this case, when I'm running this code, yeah, here this all are negative numbers, and so negative 1 is the largest number. Clear? So this is one way. This is also easy, right? Now I will explain the third way. Third way is using sort function. Like we have a built-in sort function, right? So using that we can do the same thing. For that I can do something like that, numbers dot sort. Okay, so this will sort our list in an ascending order. Okay, so this will sort our list in ascending order. Okay, so we need our largest element will be at the end, I mean at the last element, right? So how we can access the element, I before we learned using negative indexing that we can access the last element of a list using -1, right? So here we can simply do something like that, numbers of -1. Clear? Now we will print this thing again. We will get -1. Clear? So the first way is using a simple for loop, and we are checking with the numbers. And second and third are using some built-in function. Second way is using the max function. So that is very easy. And third is using number sorting, sorting method. Like it will sort the number in ascending order. Then using negative indexing, we can access the last element in the list. Clear? So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.